Okay, guys, welcome to. Oh, wait, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Say to clear. Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be teaching you how to make an adventure game. First, you're gonna wanna get a sprite or make one. I made one. And here, we give him some BB eyes. So what you're gonna do is take four of these, and put point direction. It says right, left, up, and down. And you're going to put that on these blocks. And you're going to move 10 steps. So when it does that, boom, it moves 10 steps. It's weird. What? It's weird. Maybe I have to. Just wait one sec. How do you. Boom. Now this should be. Can touch this. Don't worry. Once you do this, you're going to put when clicked, set size to 200. Forever, if touching color brown, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. This is backdrop 2, which is going to be inside the house. So inside the house, I'm going to wait one sec. So once you get here, you're going to want to pick the color for your grass, and here is the map. You're going to want a brown door in a brown box, in this bright blue box for your house. In backdrop 2, I want it inside the house. So you're going to draw the house, obviously, or the inside of the house. They're going to be. Now I'm just going to draw a little derpy-ish. Oh my god. Nope. And you can do this however you want it. You can make it a big building, anything. I'm just being lazy because it's a house. And then you're going to want to do lines. And you're going to want. I recommend doing a color, and then you want to do a different color surrounding the inside of the house. I'll tell you later why you have to do that. The door open. Take the grass. Boom. Now you got yourself a house. And I'm gonna make this. No! Change it back quick. Boom. And then you're going to want to do lines. I'm going to do pink, but it has to be by the door. Like one color has to be where you have to get out. So I'm going to make it so when. Just wait one sec. After this, when you want your guy to spawn, you're going to take this block and put it here. It doesn't have to say this code. It will say something different sometimes. So watch. Play. Oh shoot. Looks. Set backdrop to backdrop 1. And okay. So we're here. Gosh, this is glitchy for my guy. So you're going to want to go up here. And now I'm in the house. I can go anywhere. I don't want it like that, right? Also, let me fix some of these glitches. I can't do these eyes. Okay, scripts. I'm gonna actually make it. Oh, it's good. So we're gonna make it so in the forever, we're gonna put if touching color, let's say this dark blue. We don't want them to go to the dark blue. So guess what? We make them move back. So we're gonna make them. I'm gonna do. You can do this any way you want. I'm doing it the way I do. 5. So watch. We go into the house. If you touch the side, it moves you away. Got it? So now when it touches this pink color, just wait 1 sec. So when it touches this pink color, we want it so control if yes, we're gonna have to duplicate this. If touching color pink, we're going to do switch backdrop to backdrop 2. No, we're going to make it 1. And where do we want it to be? Backdrops here. Boom. I want them to be there. So scripts, and once again, it says where the character is. Boom. So watch. Just how you go in the house. Boom. Yes. And that's how you make a simple place thing. House. And wait. I'm gonna try and fix these glitches. This is my game, by the way. It's not really easy. It should be working like this. Oh yeah. So it has to be at 100, like 100% for it to work. 100. Set size to do whatever you wanna. I'm doing 100. So boom. Yes, he's a little small, but not just set it to any size you wanna. And that's how you make a simple house with simple code. And just let me prove this. 5, 5, 5, 5. Do whatever. Now you can do whatever you want with code. See you guys later. Bye.